I just thought कि because today I am feeling better, I should just say hello to everybody and एक अपना एक्सपीरियंस अगर शेयर कर लूँ तो लोगों को थोड़ी एक तो तसल्ली मिलेगी और दूसरी बात I don't know if a lot of people have clarified कि क्या होता है जब आपको कोविड-19 पॉजिटिव हो जाते हो. सो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट फ्यू थिंग्स मे बी फ्रॉम माई साइड I'd like to share with you all. This is my 6th day here in the hospital in Rishikesh at AIIMS. And I must say कि physically इतना बुरा नहीं लगता है जितना mentally खराब लगता है. Okay, so let's start from the start. तो my mother-in-law was not feeling well. उन्हें फीवर हो गया था and जब फीवर हुआ obviously हम सब worried थे and next day then I started feeling unwell. मुझे बहुत body ache हो रहा था, fatigue हो रहा था and I mean then obviously everyone got worried. फिर हमने एक first test करवाया and उस first test में negative आया. So I think we thought कि it is probably because of weather change या ये वो. So that is the reason why we thought कि we were free of COVID and we got relaxed. But we didn't get relaxed for a very long time because my mother-in-law's fever was still increasing. So because उनका fever मतलब पैरासिटामोल खाने के बाद भी increase हो रहा था तो हमें लगा कि maybe you never know that she's got it. तो हमने एक और टेस्ट करवाया और वो सेकंड टेस्ट जो करवाया उसमें फिर हमें पता चला दैट शी इज़ पॉजिटिव. फिर उसके बाद फिर सारी फैमिली का टेस्टिंग हुई एंड देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल केम पॉजिटिव एंड ये हमें काफ़ी शॉकिंग लगा था. बट ऑफ कोर्स मेंटली इट वाज अ वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग एक्सपीरियंस. But it was very important to do the test because obviously मतलब ये हमारे घर में ही फैला. हमारी वजह से बाहर तो फैला नहीं. बट थैंकफुली के हमारे घर के और जो मेंबर्स हैं उनमें नहीं फैला और हमने ये चेन को ब्रेक कर दिया. So that is one thing I'd really like to say. हाँ, फिर मैं बताती हूँ क्या हुआ. When we tested positive, then they took us to a quarantine center. I'm sorry, I'm getting it wrong. जब हमारा टेस्ट हुआ तब हम ऑलरेडी क्वारंटीन सेंटर में चले गए थे because my mother-in-law was already tested positive. And फिर we were waiting for our reports. Then our reports came in. When reports came in, we were positive. Then we were shifted to the hospital. Every one of us was shifted to the hospital. Now, why I really want to tell everybody, it is very, very important कि अगर आपको फीवर हो रहा है या आप जेन्युइनली बहुत सिक फील कर रहे हो या थोड़ा सा भी सिक फील कर रहे हो तो इट इज़ बेस्ट टू गेट योर सेल्फ टेस्टेड इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टेइंग एट होम एंड वरीइंग अबाउट इट. तो बेसिकली हमने वो चीज़ करी कि हमने टेस्ट करा लिया बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ब्रेक द चेन. दैट यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. अच्छा, दूसरी ये बात है कि आपको कोविड हो जाता है तो trust me it is not that lethal क्योंकि definitely I had symptoms, my mother-in-law had symptoms, but it doesn't mean कि it's going to destroy your life. And at the same time, on the flip side, you have to break the chain because it affects old people a lot. It affects people who have कोई बीमारी पहले से, कोई सीरियस बीमारी पहले से अगर है तो इट रियली अफेक्ट्स यू. हम हॉस्पिटल में हैं एंड देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव बिन हियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम क्योंकि उनका पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं रहा है. वैसे फ़िलहाल हमारा भी 6th डे हो गया है, हमारा भी पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव नहीं हो रहा है, एंड वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट टू बिकम नेगेटिव, especially because we worry about our parents and Suyashji's parents and our nephew. He is 5 years old, so obviously we worry for them कि जितना जल्दी positive से negative हो जाए तो better है. Please don't be scared. It's more than anything, it's mentally very very scary. I think to know that you have the virus inside you is not a very good feeling. It's a very bad feeling, especially because हमने इतना सुन लिया है इसके बारे में, इतना सोच लिया है इसके बारे में, इतने भयभीत हो गए हम इस चीज़ के बारे में that mentally it gets to you. Okay, I think somebody is asking me something. I was not going to take questions क्योंकि मुझे बहुत बोलना है. I must say कि today I am feeling good. I think रोज कुछ ना कुछ like it was playing on my head, but मेरी सर्दी और खांसी भी थोड़ी कम हो गई है. कल I think कल जब मैं सोई तो आई मेड अप इन माई हेड दैट एटलीस्ट मैं मेंटली अपने आप को खुश रखूंगी, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू हैव इट, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप योर सेल्फ मेंटली very very positive to make the virus go negative. Very cheesy, but yeah. Another thing which I would like to say is as such कोई treatment I would say नहीं हो रहा है, but yes, you have to there's no treatment for it, but yes, all you can do is you can make your bodies very 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 strong. Anyways, I feel कि Indians वैसे भी हमारी डाइट बहुत अच्छी है. एक वेजिटेरियन डाइट है, एक डाइट इंडियंस की है जिसमें बहुत सारे स्पाइसेस होते हैं, तो बॉडी में देयर इज गर्मी. सो प्लस वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ, जब से लोगों ने सुना है इसके बारे में सब लोग बहुत सारा काढ़ा पी रहे हैं. एंड सो दीज थिंग्स लाइक गिलोई, हल्दी एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दे रियली वर्क टू make your body stronger to fight against all these viruses and bacteria and all of that. So I genuinely feel Indians were pretty anyways ready to fight viruses, and I'm very proud of हमारी Indians की immunity, like and the kind of food we eat and everything, because we have a lot of vegetables, which is also very important. Another thing I'd like to say कि प्लीज़ नेगेटिव न्यूज़ से मत डरिए. प्लस लोगों के इनसेंसिटिविटी से मत डरिए कि ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वी आर नोन एंड ऑल दैट, बहुत सारी नेगेटिव न्यूज़ भी निकल आती है, बट प्लीज़ डोंट फॉल प्रे फॉर दैट, प्रे टू दैट. And go out there and get yourself tested if required. So another thing I would like to say is कि हमने इस चीज़ के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करी, but well, my family has a sanstha called Manav Dharm. It's called so it is something where everyone gets together and does a lot of good work for the society. And इस चीज़ के बारे में मैंने पहले बात नहीं की है, but I think it is very important for people to know that there is a lot of work being done by the sanstha, and a lot of work has been done by the sanstha, and which is being led by my father-in-law, and I'm going to be uploading a video, and like right now, just now after this live, and I'd like everyone to see that video. Please जाके अच्छे काम करने से मत डरिए. हम इसे प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे थे, बट आई थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो काम किया जा रहा है वो हम अगर दिखाए लोगों को, तो लोगों को समझ आए कि even though there were so many dangers and all of that, people from our sanstha and my father-in-law were taking number of precautions and going out there and doing a lot of work for the society, for the people, for people stuck, for people hungry. And I think के हमें वो काम दिखाना चाहिए. And I think I would request everyone to please go out there and see the video that I'm going to be posting right now, because negative news should not dabao the positive work that has been done. And another thing I'd like to say कि thank you, बहुत सारे messages and calls, and so many friends have reached out, and I feel really blessed, and thank you everybody. But there's a lot of people hungry out there, there's a lot of people suffering out there, and not directly due to coronavirus but due to other factors. So please, I hope this video motivates you all also to take n number of precautions but still go out there and help people out, because it is the need of the hour and it is required. And we have to lead by example. We have to show. देखो एक चीज मैं ना बहुत सुन रही हूँ इस वक्त is कि ये इस दौरान ना humanity is something which is lost, and I don't want it to be lost. So and not only me, of course all of you sitting over there don't want it to be lost. So please watch this video. I hope it inspires you to go out there and do good work, but at the same time take all the precautions that you're supposed to take, because हमें ये elders और उन लोगों में नहीं फैलाना है जिनको ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी बीमारियां हैं. Yes, I tested positive of COVID-19 and I am fine. My family is fine. We have fought it. We are still fighting it. We are still positive. And with your prayers, I think ये बहुत जल्द positive से negative हो जाएगा. I'm really hoping it happens fast, especially for my family. Thank you everybody for listening in. Thank you to everyone who's been sending so many messages here. Thank you so very much. So very much. आपने इतने sweet cute अच्छे edits बनाए हुए हैं, and I feel very lucky to have you all pray for me, and the positive vibes are something which I appreciate a lot in my life. Thank you everybody.